on Earth by Smriti Hall and David Litchfield. Peace on Earth could look like this: a smile, a wave, a laugh, a kiss, a robin's song, a dove in flight, blooming poppies, red and white. Peace on earth, goodwill to all, from rivers deep to mountains tall, a wave to neighbors near and far, a wish upon a morning star. Peace on earth, let seeds be sown, let trees be planted, flowers grown, let land and sea take breath once more, let ocean sparkle, shore to shore. Peace on earth, let friends be found, let laughter ring, let joy abound, let games be played, adventures shared, new worlds explored, and plans declared. But sometimes words can hurt and sting. And fires rage and burn within. They spark and blaze within our minds. And that's when peace is hard to find. Yes, peace on earth is hard to find. Sometimes peace is hard to find, but hearts are brave and hands are kind. And peace will go where others won't, and peace can hear what others don't. Peace can change the angry word to something known and something heard. Peace can make it understood. Peace can change the bad to good. Peace will never look away. It lights a candle here to stay. Peace will take what's torn apart. Peace will mend the broken heart. Peace will make the two halves whole. Peace restores us, heart and soul. Peace on earth, let joy ring out. Let trumpets toot, let children shout, let cymbals sound and bright bells ring, let laughter peal, let angels sing. Shining bright for all to see, peace lives in those who dare to dream, in those who hope and love and do. Peace on earth is me and you. I hope you liked the story. See you next time. Bye.